In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order labels on Trello. We'll go through each step carefully so you can efficiently organize your Trello boards in no time. Whether you're new to Trello or looking to enhance your labeling skills, this guide will have you covered. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Trello's website by typing trello.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll notice a login option at the top right corner. Click it. You'll now have a couple of ways to access your Trello account, using your email or logging in with your Google account. Choose the option that works best for you and enter the necessary credentials to proceed. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello home screen. Navigate to boards by selecting it from the top menu. This is where all your Trello boards reside, so it will be easy to find the right project you're working with. If you're part of any workspaces, click on your workspaces. This will display all the available boards within that workspace. Select the board containing the card you wish to label. Now it's time to look at the cards on your board. Click on the card you want to organize with a label. This will bring up the card's details. On this interface, you'll see an option labeled Labels. Clicking on it will bring up a range of colors you can use to mark your card. Remember, colors can help quick identification of tasks or categorize different priorities or types of work on the board. After selecting a color for your label, you'll notice an edit icon next to the color you've chosen. Click it. This will allow you to name your label, giving it a title that helps you and your team understand its purpose at a glance. Once you've named your label, it's important to save your changes. You'll typically find the Save button either at the bottom or near where you entered the label name. With your label configured and saved, simply click on Save again to ensure all modifications are kept securely and your updates are reflected on the card. Congratulations, your Trello card now has a label. The card will now display this label, helping you keep track of tasks more visually. To wrap things up, close the menu that appeared when you opened the card. This returns you to your board view, fully equipped with the new labels. These labels can play a crucial role in project management by simplifying the organization and identification of tasks across your boards. Use this feature to bring clarity and efficiency to your workflow on Trello. And that's it for today. You've just learned how to order labels in Trello. We hope this tutorial helps improve your productivity and the overall management of your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.